everybody. James, I can see you.
Oh, okay.
It's Memorial Day weekend. Happy Memorial Day weekend, everybody. We're headed to the beach, and I figured I'd take you with me and give you John's guide of how to have a good beach day. So we're going to take you through several steps. I don't know how many steps there are, but we already missed filming step number 1, which was get caffeinated. So everybody's got their drinks. We're en route to the beach. Check in with you when we get to step 2. Let's have ourselves a day. Cheers. Pancake House. We're at step number 2 of Best Beach Day, which is ordering pancakes and other things. But step 2 is brunch. Staple. Some of that. Yep. Say the fact that we got a table there with minimal wait, Memorial Day weekend, Saturday at like 10 a.m. Huge. Vibes are high. Uncle Phil's Pancake House, the spot. Video. Wow, that chaotic. Step number 3, a very important step for all of you who are of age. Boozy drinks. And water for those of you who are under 21, but an important step for sure. Monroe Liquors, nice spot. Met the owner. Yeah. Almost got free alcohol. So, step number 4, right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step number 4, before you settle in or relax on the beach, you gotta earn it. So step number 4 is a run on the beach, barefoot. Let's go. Alright, so we're moving on to step number 5 on John's guide of how to have the perfect beach day. And you might think, you know, beach day, you just sit around all day. That's wrong. That's a part of the day, but you gotta earn that. So after relaxing on the beach, step 5 is play beach games.
Step 4 after the run.
Step 4 was the run. So step 4 the run, step 5 beach games. And we're at a very unique spot here that we have a bocce court right by where
I'm glad you're down here.
we're on the beach. So yeah, I don't know how to play bocce, but we're gonna figure it out. So gonna make it look really cool here in the next couple edits.
There you go. We're truly going in.
Little update for everybody. First update, my hair is now in a man bun. Not sure how it looks, but we're rocking with it. Second update, if you look behind me, got a storm coming in. So we're wrapping up here. To the house. To the house. We made it to Tom's house. This is the first time I'm walking into it. I'm gonna give you my live reaction. Here we go. Looking good, Leah. Looking good. Oh, it smells new.
We got one!
What? The outdoor shower?
We got one! Let's go!
This house is like a 10 out of 10.
We got one. We got one.
This is huge.
We got one.
This is huge.
20.
Tom, this is nice.
That's insane.
I'm giving them a live reaction of my first impression. Okay, so
We got another one.
this is crucial. Oh, look at the puzzle. So, step 6 of a great beach trip, I didn't know if I was going to be able to film for you guys because it was dependent on an outdoor shower. And I didn't know if Tom's place had one. But they do. So, without further ado, let's move into step 7, I think. I think it's 7. Okay, everybody. Possibly my favorite step of the perfect beach day is after the beach, prepping for the evening, take a shower. But not just any shower. You gotta take an outdoor shower. And luckily, Tom's place has an outdoor shower. So, outdoor shower step 1. So that's 6, but 6A is shower beer. So we have right here, for all of you who are 21 plus, it's not necessarily a beer, but a drink, all the same. We have a High Noon pineapple. So we're gonna crack this guy open. Take an outdoor shower beer. Come on. There are a few things in life better than an outdoor shower beer. Truly, one of the world's great 7 wonders, or something like that. That right there is like the Lamborghini of outdoor showers. Step number 7, mini golf, staple.
I got a 4.
Okay, I'm scorekeeper. Congo Falls in Ocean City, honestly like top 10, probably top 5 mini golf courses I've ever played.
I was in the running for 9.
Am I winning? No. Am I gonna come back?
Yes.
Probably not. It's alright. On to step number 7. I thought 6 was mini golf.
No, 6 was the shower.
Oh. Step number 8. Manco Manco Pizza. One of the best pizzas that I've ever had. The 9th and final step of the perfect beach day. Ice cream. What's this place called?
2 cents.
2 cents plain. Very good. Got butter pecan, rainbow sprinkles. And that, my friends, is how you have a perfect beach day. That's a wrap from me. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, and I'll see you in